Okay, so on the second video, now we're going to actually do some examples. It is your choice. You can write this in your notes or not write this in your notes. That part is up to you. Okay, so right now what I want to do is I want to find what that center is. Very easy. The center right here is the point 0, 0. Okay? The next thing is going to ask is, what are my vertices? What you have to remember is that your vertices are a part of your major axis, okay? So your vertices are always part of the longest piece of the ellipse. So what that means is, well, it is longer this way, right? Longer this way. So that means that this right here and this right here, these are your vertices. So that coordinate point is 0, -6. For this guy, that's 0, -6. And then this one right here is 0, +6. Okay, and then next is your co-vertices. So your co-vertices are going to be the ones on your minor axis, the shorter part of the ellipse. Co-vertice, co-vertice. So we got a co-vertice here, and we got a co-vertice here. Co-V, co-vertice. So my first co-vertice right here, this one is the point 2, 0. And then this one right here is the point -2, 0. Okay, so the foci, we have to use that equation. C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. C squared is equal to A squared minus B squared. Remember, A is the distance from the center to the vertice. So that means that A right here is this. So A is 5. And then we have B is from the center to the co-vertice. B is going to be 2. So now we're going to do C squared is equal to A is 5. So 5 squared minus B squared, which is 2, so 2 squared. So C squared is equal to 5 squared minus 25 minus 4. C squared is equal to 21. Take the square root of both sides. C is equal to plus or minus. Remember, when you take the square root, it's always going to be plus or minus. And I'm going to use my calculator and figure out the square root of 21 and just round it. So let me real quick get to my calculator. The square root of 21 is 4.58. So that means if I go 4.58 units to the right and 4.58 units up and down. Okay, so now what we got here is, I know my focus is going to be somewhere right here. Oops. I don't think I have a back button. So, my focus is going, I know my focus is going to be somewhere right here and somewhere right here. But where about exactly? That's what this is coming from. So if you go up 4.5 units and go down 4.5, so like right here and right here. Those are your focus. So that means those points are going to be, if I go up 4.58, so that's going to be 0, 4.58, and then 0, -4.58. So that's going to be your 2 points for your foci. That's what I'm going to ask you guys to do today.